Imagine stepping into a machine, setting the dial forward, and bypassing the next century. We are jumping 1 million years down the line. To put that scale in perspective, that span is 10,000 times longer than the entirety of recorded human history. Right now, we treat our sprawling cities as permanent fixtures of the planet. We pour millions of tons of concrete and steel, engineering monuments designed to outlast our own lifetimes. But over deep time, nature runs a ruthless recycling program. Steel succumbs to rust, concrete crumbles into dust, and even our specialized plastics are dismantled by evolving microbes. Give the Earth 1 million years, and the surface is wiped clean. This cross-section of a rock face shows exactly what remains. The proof that we were ever here at all will be a single millimeter-thick band of rock. Geologists of the far future will find a strange line of sediment laced with the chemical signatures of our radiation, fossil fuels, and rare earth metals. Our civilization won't be remembered as a permanent empire. It will be recorded as a brief chemical anomaly buried in the dirt. The erasure extends beyond the ground beneath our feet. If you look up, you'll realize we've lost our cosmic landmarks too. We rely on star patterns to navigate and track time, but those stars are moving at hundreds of thousands of miles per hour. Over 1 million years, stellar drift redraws the map of the galaxy. The familiar shape of Orion dissolves, leaving a randomized, scattered sky you have never seen before. Even the moon will have changed. Because it drifts a few centimeters away from us every year, its gravitational pull will have weakened, and it will sit noticeably smaller in our night sky. With our cities gone and the stars alien, we are adrift. This erasure shifts the focus from where our world went to what our species became. One path is survival through hyper-evolution. By this point, the slow crawl of biological natural selection will have been outpaced by our own technological engineering. Our descendants likely merged their minds with artificial intelligence long ago. They would have shed their fragile bodies in favor of immortal digital consciousness running on massive quantum networks. Astrobiologists use a framework called the Kardashev scale to measure a civilization's technological capacity based on energy consumption. With a million-year head start, an intelligence reaches Type 2 or Type 3 status. That means they possess the engineering capacity to construct megastructures, like a Dyson swarm, capable of enclosing an entire active star and draining its energy output. With unlimited energy, they face two planetary choices. They either re-engineer Earth down to the atomic level to maintain an artificial paradise, or they abandon it to colonize the rest of the Milky Way. If we navigate this technological bottleneck, we survive by becoming the immortal architects of our own engineered universe. We simply cease being human in the process. There is a second reality. We might fail to survive our own technological infancy, go extinct, and leave an empty planet behind. In our absence, Earth's climate reverts to its long-term extreme cycles. The landscape will swing back and forth between massive, creeping ice ages and sweltering greenhouse periods. Biological history shows us a mechanism called convergent evolution. When an apex intelligence disappears, the resulting vacuum pulls different animal groups up the evolutionary ladder to fill the gap. Marine mammals like cetaceans already possess brain capacity, complex regional dialects, and highly structured social pods. On land, corvids demonstrate multi-step problem-solving, advanced tool use, and long-term memory. Given hundreds of thousands of years to experiment, one of these groups could establish a non-human civilization. They might build vast, woven organic cities, integrated into a towering jungle canopy. It exposes a humbling reality about Earth's biological timeline. A complex, highly intelligent planet can thrive without ever acknowledging that we were here. We are staring at a massive fork in the road. We either achieve absolute mastery over our cosmos, or we face a quiet ecological replacement. Examining a million-year time span strips away our ego. It proves that the broader universe has no inherent stake in human survival. Since no external force ensures our survival, the outcome of the next million years rests on the trajectory we set today. Our stewardship of nascent technologies and the climate forms the initial conditions of the divergence, deciding whether we evolve into architects of the galaxy or vanish from the fossil record. Deep time will erase our monuments and scatter our stars, but the actions we take right now are writing the outcome of the divergence.